Come test drive the 2013 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.